फैक्ट्री सप्लाई आता है।
उधर की एक्सटर्नल फीचर है।
ओके, स्टमक का एक्सटर्नल फीचर मैं बताता हूँ। So this is the viscera of the stomach, obviously. This is the cardiac end. This is the pyloric end. Okay, cardiac and pyloric end. The body, the stomach is divided into three parts. Number one is the fundus. We divide the fundus by drawing an imaginary line from the cardiac notch up to the greatest bulging part of the greater omentum right here. Okay.
This is the
transverse line. Okay.
ये greater curvature है।
Yes, this is greater curvature. This is the lesser curvature. Okay, and so this is the fundus. The upper part is the fundus, and the lower part is the body. We again we have another division, pyloric division. Okay, pylorus. So a vertical line from the incisura angularis to the greatest bulging part of the greater omentum here, most bulging point of the greater omentum here, and an oblique line from the incisura angularis like this. Okay, like this.
Which one is the incisor?
This is the incisura angularis. Okay, this is the incisura angularis. Like this, we form a triangle here. This is called the what? Pyloric antrum. This is called the pyloric antrum, and the rest of the part is called the pyloric canal. Okay. So how do we identify pyloric side? We define this is very thickened. Okay, and this is comparatively thinner. Okay, that is how we differentiate between pyloric end and cardiac end. That's it. And there is also some part of the greater omentum here and some part of the lesser omentum here. Okay. And this is the gastric canal right here. And rest of the part is the normal part of the body.
विसरा में इतना ही है।
विसरा में gross features इतना ही है।